Tandoori Momos. These are extremely spicy and very flavorful street food, and it has a unique twist to the usual veg momos that we make. These are usually made on skewers, but I'm going to show you how to make it on a stovetop. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the momos, first I'm going to make the dough. For this, take 2 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour, add a little salt, oil, and the required amount of water for the dough. Knead it well for about 10 minutes. Make small dough balls and keep them aside. I'm going to make the filling for the momos. Take half cup of chopped onions, quarter cup chopped carrot, quarter cup chopped beans, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, quarter cup cabbage, and quarter cup capsicum. To this add half teaspoon of salt and a little pepper. Mix well. Now the filling is ready. Next, roll out the dough. Place a little bit of the filling in the center and fold the ends. Seal the momos and keep them aside. Make all the momos in the same manner. Now I've made the momos. Next I'm going to deep fry the momos. Take a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, deep fry the momos on medium flame to get a nice golden brown color. I'm going to make a marinade. For this, take 3/4 cup of hung curd, 2 tablespoons besan or gram flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala half teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, black salt half teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, the juice of half lemon, add some chopped coriander leaves and a little KASURI METHI. Mix the marinade well. Add the fried momos to the marinade. Rub the marinade onto the fried momos. You can see they're completely coated, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. To infuse the momos with a nice smoky flavor, I'm going to heat a piece of charcoal. You can see it's nice red and hot. Place the cup into the bowl. Place the red hot charcoal into the cup. Pour a teaspoon of ghee on top of the charcoal and close it immediately. As you can see, the bowl is filled with smoke. So this smoke is going to infuse the smoky flavor into the momos. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. So you can see the momos are infused with all that smoke. It smells amazing. The final step is to fry them. So I'm going to pan fry these momos. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan. Place the momos onto the pan. Keep the flame on medium-low and fry them. So it's fried on one side. I'm gently going to flip it to the other side. Once it's cooked on both sides, just turn the momos around to make sure that it's cooked all around. Now I've pan fried it on all sides. The momos cooked, so I'm going to turn off the stove now. Serve the momos hot with some mayo and some sliced onions. Here are these really delicious tandoori momos. Serve them hot with some onions and lemon wedges by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.